Washington Secretary of State, Address Confidentiality Program, Release of Information. Who may ACP release my information to? ACP may release your information if requested by a law enforcement agency or if directed by a court order. Law enforcement. If requested by a law enforcement agency and in accordance with official law enforcement duties, in writing on official law enforcement letterhead stationery, signed by the law enforcement agency officer, and the participant's application contains no indication that he or she has been a victim of domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking perpetrated by a law enforcement employee. Court order. If directed by a court order with probable cause finding and the request is made by a non-law enforcement agency or the participant's file indicates they have reason to believe they are a victim of domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking perpetrated by a law enforcement employee, or prevents immediate risk to a minor and meets the statutory requirements of the Washington Child Welfare System. Your information will only be released to the requested parties. If information is requested by a law enforcement agency, it is released to that law enforcement agency if granted. Meaning, if the information is requested by the Thurston County Sheriff's Office and granted, the information will be released to the Thurston County Sheriff's Office, and the Thurston County Sheriff's Office is not to share the information. A court order issued prohibits the release of the information to any other agency or person not a party to the order. If a court order is granted to release information to Detective Smith with Olympia Police Department, Detective Smith is not to share the information, even among the Olympia Police Department. For more information, visit sos.wa.gov/ACP.